I don't know if there is an easier, more impressive dish to make than beef short ribs. It is another one of those recipes that involves the magical process of time and heat, creating something that is almost impossible to f up. Well, we'll test that out today.
Everybody should know how to use a knife. Use everything, waste nothing. Let's start at the beginning. It ain't that hard, okay?
Welcome back to Bourdain. My name is Mitch May. I'm working through every recipe in Anthony Bourdain's layout cookbook. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing okay-ish. I don't know, I feel stiff and kind of sick, but that's all right. My sister is actually helping record today's video. She's been in past videos. Rachel, say something for the people.
As if it dee-doo-dah.
Today we're making short ribs roasted in the oven, both veal and actually beef. I want to test the difference between the two. I'm going to jazz it up with parsnip puree from Bourdain's book and some carrots that I want to poach and make a nice presentation with. I have Bourdain's book linked down below in the description of this video if you want to grab it, if you want to check it out. Let's get moving. Simple prep. We're going to do some onions, one whole onion, thinly sliced. I figure you don't need to see me do everything as far as peeling it. Next up, a bouquet garni, which is parsley, thyme, and a bay leaf. Another kind of cool French, almost like keystone in cooking. Honestly, I feel like it could go in everything, minus like a cheesecake. 4 cloves of garlic. We're gonna use the entire head because I figure it's a lot of beef we're working with. Very simply, that is like hottish. Slice this boy down the middle. That smells like I'm not crazy about how that smells. What are you getting?
The Metamucil.
Metamucil. Metamucil, actually, you know what? I prefer this stuff. I did my research. It's just simple psyllium husk, nothing crazy. Here is our lovely, these look good. Well, these have been in the fridge for 2 days, actually. I hit them with some salt. That's why they have this kind of dark red color to them. Season them up with some pepper. Gonna get every side of these bad boys. The ones on your left are beef. The ones on the right are veal. Hit them with some olive oil now. A little trick I like to do is keep one hand as the dirty hand and another as the clean guy. These look nothing short of beautiful, I think. Now we're gonna make like a little reduction sauce thing. I'm not sure exactly what it is. Ignore that burn spot over there. That's actually from making so much bread. The vent is actually. Over high heat, we're gonna add 1 cup of wine, a 1/4 cup of sherry vinegar. We're gonna bring that up to a boil. While that is coming up to temperature, let's just arrange our veal chops. Garlic, figure we're just gonna put that face down there. Our shorty ribs. The fat boys, again, these are beef. These boys are baby beef, they're veal. Come over to our boiling vinegar wine mixture. This is demi-glace, AKA just heavenly freaking magic. Whisk that in. And this is gonna go in the pan. Bourdain says you should cool it, but I suck with directions sometimes. Yeah, I know, the oven's dirty as shit. This is gonna go in the oven at 325 degrees. It starts out cold actually, which is kind of unique. That is gonna roll for an hour. Okay, while that is doing its thing, I figure we can make our parsnip puree from Bourdain's book and also some sexy poached carrots that are a different color. I feel like crap. Give me a second.
Are you okay? Or...
Yeah, give me a second.
Mitchell? Are you okay? Hello? Mitchell? Hello? Mitchell?
Come on.
Oh my God. How is it?
So, we're gonna get a pot of water boiling. Season that water. Kind of going for a similar vibe I would as with pasta. I did actually skin these off. Bourdain just calls to cut these up into hunks about 2 inches. Okay, we're gonna do the parsnips into the boiling water. Be wary of the splash zone. Ow. We're gonna let them get soft to the point where a little paring knife can go in them easily. And we're gonna put them in this boy, this bad boy. Highly recommend.
Don't look very good.
At least it's not like COVID or anything, you know? Freaking shucky.
Yeah. Oh my God!
So it's been about 10 minutes with the parsnip boiling action. They still need some serious time. Let's check short ribs. Give them a flip. The beef ones actually look much better to me. I did think about searing the skin initially, and maybe I should have, just to caramelize, just to render it down a little bit. We can do the carrots. I don't think the flavor is any different. Maybe like if we try a purple one. Tastes exactly the same. Tastes like a freaking carrot. That looks like heavenly. Parsnips, I think they're soft enough. Yeah, those are mondo soft enough. Strain these out. While those are cooling off, let's try and poach these carrots. This is kind of like a thing I just found. Cover them with some water. not all the way. Nice seasoning of salt, healthy dollop of butter. Bring this up over 4-5 heat. And then we're gonna add some sugar. Kind of doing this all by feel. I had no clue. Bring that down to a simmer-ish. Problem is our pan is crowded, which is like a cardinal sin. Now time for the parsnip puree. Just gonna go tablespoon by tablespoon, getting it nice and silky, as Bourdain says. It's coming along okay. I wonder if the Phillies won.
Oh, do you actually not know?
I don't. Did
Yeah,
they?
they lost.
They lost?
At work, everyone put it on.
That sucks.
That's the most random thing.
It's got a nice texture. It's hard for me to say S's, I don't know why. Off camera, the parsnip puree I whipped up with a little salt, a little white pepper, as Bourdain says, and we're just gonna let that vibe out. Squirrel, get that squirrel on the tree. Carrots, I tested these and they're freaking done. So I'm gonna pull these out over here for the time being. While everything's cooking away, a little comment of the week from Gingy's mate. Thank you for finding me for one, and also thank you for the nice comment. Let's just hang out and wait till this is done. I don't know. Got a half hour to go. Lovely freaking color, but these, ooh, maybe they are tender. The beef is definitely less tender than the veal, for obvious reasons. Something I wanted to do with our carrots, add a little texture, some frying oil, and hopefully we get some nice crunchy little bits to add to soft parsnip, soft short rib, and crunchy peels. You know, probably burnt by some standards. Okay, everything is coming together. The sun is finally about to go down. We can plate. If you want to support me, if you want to join my journey, think about subscribing. It means a lot. Let's plate this thing. So my mic died midway through reading this. Rachel is no longer here. I took care of that situation. She actually had AEW with her boyfriend. I tried everything. The beef, it's overcooked. I think I would definitely opt for braising. I did fail to make a nice gravy, which is what it is. The carrots themselves, nice and glazed. The carrot strips, I think I got a little too cute. And the parsnip puree, I can't ever justify using parsnips instead of mashed potatoes. I'm just yet to get there on my culinary journey because I love mashed potatoes. More videos to come. I have another recipe to the right. If you're interested, thank you for spending your time with me. This was Back to Bourdain.
Stay organized, you clean up after yourself, you do the best you can.
Ribs have about half an hour to go. Good.
Crazy.